right, well, here we are back at it sooner than later, I think it is. Build your own timber frame. Day number.
My job's really easy.
Well, both easy, man. This is like, we don't have to think. We can even put them in different orders and it still is day 15. Woo! I think the last video said we weren't gonna do a day 15. I just meant we weren't gonna film day 15 cutting one by with a chainsaw. Day 15 is actually, we're starting to put some of this beautiful lumber, especially these guys here. These are the 20 footers that we cut up and made in day 14. So go up there, check out that video, because that was there. It's up there. Day 14, we made these timbers. Didn't make them, we cut them, we produced them, we met. Anyways, you get the idea. Day 15 is we are going to lay out, actually, I think the intro into this was setting up the scaffolding around the timber frame. That's what I already did. We are gonna go out there, cut the tails down to the same length on the rafters that are out there, and then do an exact measurement of where each one of them lie or lay, depends where you are, something like that. Yeah, and then maybe we put some more wood on the timber frame today. Careful, don't get too excited. All right, let's get this going. You're not gonna one-hand it?
That's what you want?
There we go. The timber frame shot. Successful morning, or half a morning, or maybe even a quarter of a morning. Banker hours again. Yeah, Mr. Agile jumping around here. So, Benjimoto. So we successfully measured down 11 inches, cut them all off so we have a consistent line going across our tails on the rafters. We did a quick photocopy of the plan showing the, I don't know, top plates, whatever those, yeah, the top plates, wall plates. And then we did an exact measurement of every single rafter and every single space. And we were extremely consistent. You'd be proud of us, Tom. You really would. We're within 2 inches on every single one of them. Exactly. So, after lunch, Ben's gonna be in the shop and he's gonna lay out all those measurements on the 20 footers. I'm gonna come back out here and lay out on these outside 2 rafters all the way around the 4 corners where our rakes are gonna get put in. So that's that, lunchtime. Getting towards the peak. Actually, it is the peak. Just wanted to show you a couple of the lines that I put on here. So the rakes are going to extend out 24 inches, so they'll match up with what's here, 24 inches out. Since it's, I'm going to call it a retrofit, I don't know if that's the best word, but since we're adding these other timber pieces to the existing timber frame, obviously if you were doing this from the get-go, you would have it all on the plan. You would cut these all out and you would do it from there. From the beginning, you would just start there. Here we have to come in, measure everything, see what's here. Then I have to go back and reference all of the material that we cut and then match it up to what's here. So there's going to be a little bit of back and forth as we go along. But now that I have these numbers on our plan right here, the takeoffs that we just did, I'm going to head into the shop and pick out the 3 rakes that we're going to go here. All right, let's get in there. Wrap up day 15. Great progress, but I think it's evident that we don't do this every day and we have a little bit to learn because it's not all in a plan. Told you a little bit about that up on the peak out there as we're trying to retrofit some logs into an existing frame. Cool things are, I knew I was short one of these 4-foot rakes, so just grabbed the chainsaw, went back out there and cut another one, so I actually cut 2, so I have an extra one. Not that I'm planning to screw up at all.
Should have made an extra 20-footer.
Well, we still have a 25-foot log out there. We're not going to use it. Tom said he was going to be by later this afternoon to check our numbers here on the layout. Better get here soon because we need help. Yeah, so if you saw us in the little time lapse hanging out, just kind of trying to figure that out, it's what they taught us in class. Measure it all out, double check it, and then recheck it. And there's a floating inch in there somewhere, 1.5 inches. So that's why we're just gonna call it for now on day 15. And I'm gonna get in a little bit earlier tomorrow. And didn't say you were gonna make it in early. Mr. Vacation Man. It was your turn. He just got back from Granberg. So he took a picture of the red house.
I did.
And the blue house. And a couple lighthouses along the way. Need to go check those out. So I'm gonna come in, double check all of our takeoff numbers out there on that front fascia piece, and then double check them, and then tomorrow will be day 16 where we will get a few of these things cut and we'll get a few of the 3x5s onto the frame.